Kinda weird one. Replace these boring English words with these cool ones. These words will make you sound fancy and fashionable. These are close alternatives but not dictionary meaning. Busy, occupied, happy, euphoric, sad, disheartened, small, compact, big, enormous, angry, furious, easy, effortless, funny, hilarious, lazy, lethargic, tired, exhausted, fatigued, scared, frightened, calm, serene. I love using this word, by the way. Bad, awful, terrible, saw, noticed, exciting, thrilling, weak, fragile, both work, panicked, hysterical. Replace these boring English words with the